Welcome everyone, I'm Tim, a psychic medium in Cape Town, and today we're talking about making up your mind, getting out of procrastination, right? That is a really important topic for a lot of people. We get stuck in the ruts, especially South Africans. We want to be perfect, we want to get things done perfectly, we only want perfect energy coming to us. We are very proud people. For us to ask for help is extremely hard. So these lessons that I teach over here are really universal. Use it and don't use it. Take what you can from these videos and then share it with friends and family that can use it, right? So today we want to talk about make up your mind. When to make a decision, how to make a decision, right? Some people get stuck in decisions. I don't know what to do, okay? So I follow something called fuck yes, okay? If I do something, it needs to be a fuck yes, okay? Fuck yes is when someone brings something to you and all of a sudden I get excited. That is a fuck yes, okay? Go and say fuck yes and feel what that feels like, because your body will feel light, okay? That's what I'm looking for. When it's just a yes, okay, same energy, not as strong, okay? You'll feel the energetic difference of that. Say yes out loud, and what does that feel like? Does my body feel light? That's what I'm looking for, okay? When my body says a maybe, do I want to maybe do something? Not at all, okay? When there's a maybe, it's not a yes, okay? It's hell no, it's not a yes, it's undecided, rather do something else, okay? And when it's a no, it's a no, hell no. When you say no to yourself, feel what that feels like. The body gets heavy. It gets like, I'm tensing up. I don't want to do it. So when someone asks you, can you come and do something for me? And your answer is maybe, or I'll see you later, or I'm not sure. An unsure energy is a no. It's a hell no for me. Because being unsure means that you're not sure of yourself, or you're not sure of the situation or the energy. Rather say, so sorry, I cannot do this right now. Rather be honest, upfront, and then you're not the douchebag that cancel plans on the last second. You only the douchebag is when you cancel the last minute and that person paid money for you to be there, right? So a lot of times when we just do brides and things like that, we will invite a whole bunch of people, we'll take a last bit of money or cash, we'll go buy the salads, the meat, the charcoal, the blitz, the braai stuff. In South Africa we are very big in braais. And we'll take a last bit of cash and we'll put it on the table and we go, we're investing in all our friends and we love them so much. And we invite 10 people and then one person arrives and we took all this money, we made all these salads and put on this huge big spread, and one person arrives. So many times after that event, I felt, wow, these people didn't respect us. They came with lame excuses, lastminute.com. They found something better to do, which is famous in South Africa, in Cape Town, where people say yes, they're going to do something and drop you on the last minute. And they don't realize how much planning effort went into this event that was going to be special for them. Okay, so remember, you're only an asshole if you didn't cancel in enough time. If they came to you with something and you didn't want to do it, rather say no, I'm busy. That's all you need to say. You don't need to give anything more. And then go, okay, cool, no problem. I'll move my attention to people who can come. And if those 10 people did arrive, they would have had a fantastic time. I promise you that, okay? So just remember, stick with your word. Don't feel bad either. Own your life, own your decisions. If you don't want to do something, don't do it. But give enough time so that you're not the asshole, okay? Lots of love to you. Have a fantastic time. I hope this makes sense.